Hey skincare enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for all the DIY beauty lovers out there. The title says it all. This common DIY mistake could ruin your skin. That's right. We are diving deep into a mistake that's easy to make but can have serious consequences for your skin. So grab your notebook because you will want to remember this one. Now, we all love a good DIY skincare recipe. It's fun, empowering, and it feels great to use product that you've created with your own hands. But there is a hidden pitfall in the world of DIY skincare, and it's all about pH balance. pH, which stands for potential of hydrogen, is a scale that measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is. And guess what? Your skin has its own natural pH level, usually sitting around 4.5 to 5.5. This slightly acidic environment is key to keeping your skin healthy, protecting it from harmful bacteria and environmental stressors. Here is where the common mistake comes in. Many DIY skincare recipes don't take pH into account. Ever made a homemade face mask or scrub and felt a little tingle or irritation afterwards? That could be a pH issue. When the pH of your DIY concoction doesn't match your skin's natural pH, it can disrupt your skin barrier, leading to all sorts of problems like dryness, irritation, or even breakouts. For instance, using ingredients like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, which are highly acidic, can throw off your skin's pH balance if not used correctly. On the other hand, baking soda, which is highly alkaline, can also disrupt your skin's acid mantle. So what you can do to avoid this: first, invest in pH strips. They are simple to use and can save your skin from potential harm. Test your DIY beauty products before using them on your skin. Aim to keep the pH close to your skin's natural pH. Another tip is to be cautious with the ingredient you choose. Research their pH level and understand how they interact with your skin. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to DIY skincare. Another common DIY skincare pitfall is overlooking the importance of preservatives. I know, the word preservative often gets a bad rap. But hear me out, when you create product with water-based ingredients, like those refreshing toners or hydrating serums, you are also creating a playground for bacteria and mold. Yikes! Without a proper preservative, this microorganism can multiply, and using such a product could lead to skin irritations or infections. The solution: don't be afraid to use preservative. There are natural preservative options available that can keep your DIY creation safe and effective. Ingredients like grapefruit seed extract or natural preservatives like leaf cider can be excellent choices. The key is to use them in the right quantities. But let's not stop there. Another mistake often overlooked in DIY skincare is not considering the compatibility of ingredients. Ever mix two skincare products and ended up with a strange texture or no result? That's because not all ingredients play well together. For instance, combining vitamin C, ascorbic acid, with certain types of retinol can destabilize both compounds, rendering them ineffective. When formulating DIY products, take the time to research your ingredients, understand their properties, how they interact with each other, and their benefits for your skin. This little bit of extra effort can elevate your DIY skincare from a fun experiment to a truly effective part of your beauty regimen. And let's talk about the importance of patch testing. I cannot stress this enough. Always, and I mean always, do a patch test with your DIY beauty product before going full face. This simple test can save your skin from potential irritation or allergic reactions. Alright, DIY skincare warriors, I hope this discussion has been an eye-opening. Don't let those potential mistakes scare you away from the wonderful world of DIY skincare. Instead, let them empower you to create more mindfully and effectively. And remember, if you're craving more in-depth knowledge about creating safe, effective, and professional-grade skincare products, visit stablecosmeticformulas.com. They're your go-to resource for all things cosmetic formulation. Before we wrap up, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon. We are constantly bringing you valuable content to make your green beauty journey as rewarding as possible. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep loving the skin you're in. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and keep crafting your skincare magic.